Hello guys, review tablet Nokia T21, this LTE version, 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the gray color. Okay, open box and full compactation. Okay, tablet. And in compactation we have nothing on this. Type-C cable on this we have. Okay, we have in compactation only Type-C cable without charger. And on this we have key for SIM slot. Okay. Device made of plastic and metal. On the front side 10.4-inch display. On this side power key and speaker. On this side second speaker and Type-C cable. Upside wall buttons. Turn on. We have display 10.4 inch. Open settings. About tablet we have clear Android 12. Display IPS Full HD Plus resolution. Run Antutu benchmark. We have CPU Unisoc Tiger T612 octa-core processor. Results of Antutu benchmark, okay. Close this and run GTA San Andreas The Money Game. 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory we have. Good speakers. Good sound. And game works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.